Hey, this is Nate from Web 801, where we turn brochure websites into sales machines. Today I'm going to go over another tip in Gravity Forms, and this is how to set up notifications. Notifications are when someone fills out a form, there's a couple different notifications I usually recommend. One of them is the notification to the admin of the site or the owner of the website. The other is the notification that the user receives. For example, validation that their information was received, what to do next, things like that. We can customize all that. So let's get started. When I come into the dashboard, the first thing I'll do is go to Forms. Then I'll get here, and this particular site only has a couple forms so far, but I'm going to show you how to customize the notifications. So I'll start with the contact form. I go to Settings, then I'll see Form Settings, Confirmations, and Notifications. And I'll click on Notifications. And we can see here that it has an admin notification already. A few things I notice: new submission from, and then it has the form title. So I'm going to click Edit, and then enter email as the default setting. So what I'll do here is put in the email address of the person that I want to receive this admin notification. I'll put in the name. Now here it's blank. I can go over here to this merge tag section. When I click on that, it will have like the first name, the last name. It'll just have all the fields that are showing up, plus a bunch of other stuff from the form. So I'm going to put in first name, then I'm going to hit a space, and then put in last name. That means if the person entered in their first name and last name, it's going to show up here. Now the next part is a little bit tricky, because if I delete the admin email and I just go down here and put in email, which is right here, depending on what the user who filled out the form is, what email provider they're using, it might get flagged as spam. So generally what I do is I'll put in my email address. And my email address, it has a domain name tied to it. It's not a Gmail or a Hotmail or some of those others. It's got a domain name, so it's more of a professional email address. So when this admin receives the email, it's going to be coming from me. And then the reply to, I'm fine putting the actual person's, the email of the one that filled out the form. And then sometimes when I'm just helping get this set up for a client, I will put in my email address in the blind copy as well, just so I can see that they're getting them. Another thing I'll do, instead of just having new submission from contact, in this case it would be from the contact. That's pretty generic. So I'm going to call this the name of the business or the name of the website, and then I'll put a colon, and then I'll just leave the form title as it is. Now down here below, for admins, I just keep all of this, the all fields merge tag the way it is. So that's fine. And then I'll just click update notification. And that one is set. Now I'm going to go back to notifications. And I'm going to show you how to make the notification for the one that filled out the form. To make it easy, I'll just start by duplicating this. And then you'll see the one, copy one. I'll click edit. And instead of admin notification, I'm going to call this user notification. I'll delete the copy one. And here's where I'll change a few things. Send to, I'm going to select a field, and then I'm going to put in the person's email address, or just the email field. That's the field in the form. And for the from name, I'm just going to put in the name of the website. For the from email, I'm going to put in the admin's email address. And then the reply to, I'll also put in the admin's email address. And I'll just keep it blind copied. And then I'll put here, I don't have to do much with this, but I'll just put like regarding and then the form. So it looks like I'm replying to them. Now down below in the notes, now you'll see there's a visual and a text editor. I'm probably going to jump into the visual editor here just so I can see it better. And I'm going to say hello. And then I go over to the merge tag and I'll say first name and then comma. Really, you can put whatever you want here. I'm just making this pretty generic. And then it can be changed. But hello, first name. Thanks for reaching out to us. Here's the information we received. and that will be an automated message that they will receive after they fill out the form. Then I click update notification, and then when I go back to notifications, I will see there's the admin and there's the user. Thanks for watching this video today. I hope you liked it and it was helpful. And if you'd like to watch more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. That way you'll get notified when we make new videos. I'm Nate from Web 801, where we turn brochure websites into sales machines. Thanks again for watching.